Hello, everybody. I got no sleep, and yeah, I'm tired of the glasses. We're going without glasses on this one, okay? So let's go. Um, I'm gonna be reacting to some chill ASMR videos. You feel me? Let's get to it. Okay, so the first one is gonna be this guy right here, Raizu. I don't know. I don't know. He has too many. I don't know. Let's watch him. It's one of the three videos. Okay, I'm gonna watch a little bit. I'm gonna try not to die. Bro. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, you can't build. Oh my. Oh, I can't. God help me. Like. Stop now. Nah. Let's go react to this one.
This is a normal.
God damn, that was loud. My ears. Okay, let's watch
Do
this
not
guy.
pay somebody to build you a Shopify store because I'm going to do it free with 20 handpicked products by myself and my
Hey, what the fuck? Okay, okay, I get it. Please, stop. Please. What are you? Bro. Oh my. What are you? Did I just? Bro. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, this is the last one. Bro, I am about to die, bro. Oh my fucking god. I can't. I just can't. I just. I can't. I just can't. I just can't. I just can't.